This chicken is so yummy, I make it almost every day, easy and delicious. For this recipe, we're going to need 3 chicken breasts. I'm cutting them like this, right diagonally. But the cut is not to go beyond, it is to stay that way. I'll season it with a little salt, a pinch of black pepper. Pass very well, which is to get the seasoning. I will flip and season the other side with black pepper in the same way. I'm going to pass all these chickens in wheat flour. Very well done, right? Now in a skillet add 3 tablespoons of butter. And wait for the butter to melt completely. Now I will be adding the chicken breasts very carefully. When one side is fried, I'll be flipping to bake the other side too. When it's roasted, I will be adding 3 cloves of garlic. And if you need, you add more butter. Like the one you didn't need, I didn't put it. People are already commenting to me. What city are you watching us from? I'll send you a super special hug for every one of you who is commenting. Now I'm going to add a spoonful of soy sauce, 90 grams of honey, a spoon of vinegar, and I will be mixing very well. And today, I'm going to send you a special big hug. For a person who is always commenting on our videos, a big hug to Abigail from Los Angeles. Thank you so much for always following us. I thank you immensely. Now I will be turning and turning again to get the seasoning very well. I will finally add parsley all over the chicken breast. And our chicken breast is ready. And it was super delicious. The honey really combined. It was a perfect bittersweet taste. So if you liked it, share it, and until next time. Goodbye.